Hey guys, I leave for Peru tomorrow for 8 days and I'm going to show you what I am bringing with me on my trip. So let's get it. Come with me Friday, don't say maybe. I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby like you. Hello again, people of the internet, and cheers. If this is your first time here, my name is Angie and this is my travel vlog. Today I'm going to show you guys what I am bringing with me to Peru. A few weeks ago I gave you some tips on packing. I'll put a link either here or here, not sure where they pop up. In that video I told you to check and see what the weather was going to be like up until your trip, and doing so lets me know that it is going to be freezing in the mountains and beautiful in Lima. And so, without further ado, let's get into it. Hello. I don't really like this angle, but I'm sure some of you perverts will. Anyway, for the warmer weather, I'm going to bring 2 pairs of shorts and 3 lightweight shirts, my microfiber towel, a bathing suit top, and these flip-flops.
This is fun. Cheers.
For the colder weather, I am going to bring 2 pairs of pants, one of which I am wearing on the plane, and layers, 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 and layers, and more layers. Wool socks for hiking. I forgot my other socks over here, and regular ass socks for gallivanting around town. Also, you can't forget about your liquids. I bought some kind of cheap stuff from Walgreens and I'm kind of worried about them, and I saw this trick online about putting saran wrap around the inside of it for a little bit of extra protection, so I'm gonna try it and see how it works. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Also, I love these little Ipsy bags. They help me keep everything so organized. Look at that. Boom! Now let's talk about my backpack. I love this thing so much. I love how it opens like this rather than from the top, and how the sides are kind of firm so your stuff doesn't get squished. It's also the perfect carry-on size. I've never ever had to check this thing against my will. Now make sure you put your heavier stuff on the bottom so that you don't hurt your back. I don't know why this would hurt your back, but somebody told me this a long time ago and it just kind of stuck with me ever since. I guess I should probably go fact check that, but it is what it is. Anyways, just keep rolling and stuffing. If you don't think it's gonna fit, you just gotta shove it in there a little harder. Make it fit. Sorry. Anyways, we're gonna skip ahead. And boom, there we go. Look at that. We're almost done. Just gotta shove a couple more things in here. Da, 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 da. But look at all this room I have. And that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to save a bunch of room for souvenirs because I know I'm gonna want to get like an alpaca scarf and maybe a hat, probably a sweater. Now it looks like I'm gonna have room for all of that. I am so proud of all this souvenir space. That's what we're gonna call it. Suvie space. Space for your sous. Oh yeah. Now let's move on to the outside, which sadly I don't have a lot to put in here because my brother is not letting me bring his laptop with me. But it's gonna be okay. All I'm really gonna bring with me is some plastic bags for whatever I may need them for, an adapter, a backup charger, and this LED light for vlogging. And boom, we're done with the backpack part. Another reason that I love this backpack so much is because you can tighten and loosen the straps on the outside to make it either bigger or smaller. See, look at how small it can get. And look at how big it can get. Look at how small. And again, look at how big. Ta-da! Love this thing. I can't rave about it any more than I already do. Anyways, you might be thinking, where am I going to put my hiking boots if I'm not going to put them in my bag? That is a very good question. I usually tie them to the top of my backpack because I don't want them inside with the rest of my stuff, making them all ucky. And if you lay them down the right way, then they fit in the overhead apartment without taking space from anybody else. It really is a beautiful thing. See how easy that is? Boom. Now let's move on to my in-flight baggie. In here, I keep my travel journal and a pen, an Ipsy baggie with feminine products, and I will also put my first aid kit in here since they're both related to blood and it will make it easier to find. Sorry, that was kind of gross. Also, this little Ipsy baggie that I'm going to put tons of medicine in, like some anti-itch cream that I took for my job, some cold medicine that I took for my job, some antacid that I took for my job, some cough drops that I took for my job, and some Advil that I bought for myself, and Pepto. I'm just going to dump all of those in there, and voila. Some Kleenex, which is multi-purpose, a water bottle, sunscreen, perfume, my wallet, chapstick, headphones, and this thing, which I will get back to in just a second because I need to stroke my wiener. Anyways, I love this thing so much. It's called a foot hammock, and you basically just put it around your food tray and you have your own personal footrest. An inflatable pillow, my toothbrush, and most importantly, my Kindle. And there you have it. Let's start stuffing all this shit in. I try to be as organized as possible so that I know where everything is when I need it. And of course, I'll shove my wallet in one of the inside pockets. And there we have it. Oops. And there we have it. Now let's talk about what I am wearing on the plane. The pants that I am already wearing today. This shirt that I love so much for traveling. It's so versatile. I can wear it so many different occasions. I just love it so dearly, but it's kind of heavy, so I'm not going to put it in. Also, some sneaks for walking around cities and not hurting your little feetsies. And this very warm jacket that I'm sure I will need while I'm hiking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'm really happy with the way that this video turned out. And I'm also super happy that I am leaving tomorrow. I'm so stoked. The only thing that I can think of that I am not happy about is this hideous pimple on my face that somehow doubled in size since the last time I filmed. So pretty tight. I'm just going to cover it while I finish talking. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. The next time I see y'all, I will be in Peru. Well, I'll be back from Peru, but my footage will be from Peru. So I look forward to seeing you guys then. I'll let you get a good look at it. Bye, guys. Have a great couple weeks. Bye. If you enjoyed this video and have the desire to see more, be sure to hit subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. I hope to see y'all next Wednesday. Toodaloo, motherfucker.